If you're a boy, mom, then you already know. Boy, mom, thunderstorm. Oh, yeah. There's a storm rolling over the valley tonight. Black clouds crawling over mountain lines. You can hear the thunder rumble past the lake, but the kids still ride like the world won't break. Tires on pavement, laughter in the rain. Little wild hearts running half untamed. And I stand on the porch with the lightning glowing, thinking, damn, these boys are growing. And life gets hard, yeah, money gets tight. Some days feel like a long fist fight, but this little street keeps pulling us through with bonfire souls and hand-me-down truths. Cause my neighbors are gold in a hard-give town, always lifting each other when the world burns down. Boy, mom's talking while the sky turns black, watching our sons tear the whole school track. They fly across the street like they own the night, back sideways under parking lot lights. No fear, no chains, no screens, no walls, just crazy kids running wild through it all. Yeah, this little community raised freedom in our backyard dirt, mud on the shoes and grass-stained shirts. Living at Creech, close but still in town, where everybody smiles and nobody backs down. And the thunder cracks like an old outlaw song, but these boys keep riding, keep rolling along, learning courage from scraped up knees, learning kindness from this community. And me and my neighbor, maybe a beer in hand, laughing like only two boy moms can, talking about bruises, schoolyard fights, and how fast childhood disappears overnight. But tonight they're still young, still racing the storm, still barefoot kings, still reckless in war. And I'm grateful beyond what words can say for this safe little life at the end of the day, for the school right there and the freedom they found, for the way love somehow circles this town. So let the rain come down hard tonight, let the thunder shake every porch light. These boys are growing up, rugged and free, in the kind of small town people wish they could see. Yeah, the world gets heavy, but right here feels right, with our kids on their bikes under Okanagan lightning.